everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Very excited today. Got some sales coming in on my ClickBank. You can make money, and I'm just letting you guys know the possibility are possible. All you got to do is put a lot of your time and effort, and the sales will all come in. Alright, so I made a little money with my AdSense too, with YouTube channels, and getting some affiliate marketing income coming in. I also sell on Etsy, so my shop on Etsy, I sell ebooks, I sell crochet patterns. Very excited. I'm getting a few more sales on that, but I also have a lot of orders outside too, from customer orders, from crochet items that I sell, that I make. I make a lot of money as a craft vendor. So all around, income is coming in. Very happy. But if you want to learn how to make money online, come to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and watch what I post, because what I post is going to help your business. All right, it's going to help you become successful online. And I'm going to do more reviews on more of the softwares that I use, and it's going to actually help you, especially if you know a little bit about computer. All right, or if you're just a beginner, just keep watching what I do. Keep watching, learn about the basics on how to use a computer. If you don't know how to use one, ask your sister or brothers, a family member, a relative. Ask someone to show you how to maneuver around the computer. That way you can know the basics. And once you get to know the basics of learning how to use the computer, you will be able to make money online. So familiarize yourself how to use a computer. If you don't know how to use one, there's room enough for you to learn all about how to use a computer. All right, and watch YouTube channels, because you can actually learn from other people. And you want to learn about affiliate marketing, go ahead, browse through YouTube search engine, all right, and type out affiliate marketing, and then you're going to learn a whole mass of different people that are making money online. Will actually show you how to. And some of these videos actually are long. I know some of you probably don't want to watch a long video, but it's worth it. If you really have a drive to want to learn how to make money, you're gonna watch the video all the way through. So keep watching those videos. All right, so I'm getting off. I work 2 days a week at a hospital, but I'm getting off, and I have a day off, and I'm working on my software, making some money. So I'm going to generate some money today, and I'm going to be productive. All right, always be positive. Always have a motive of manifesting what you have. Okay, you might not be able to see it, but if you confess that you are a millionaire, if you confess you have that mindset, if you drive your who and why are you doing this, if you have a why and a reason why you're and what you are doing, that's going to give you hope. That's going to give you the drive that you need, and it's going to actually boost your self-esteem. All right, you want to create a positive mindset. You want to keep your positive mindset, your energy up high. Okay, you want to stay away from negativity. You don't want to hear discouragement. You don't have enough room for it, period. Okay, so do not even acknowledge or make room for any negative that you hear. Always keep a motive of being positive, and you will become successful. And take your time, don't rush. Money takes time to create online. You got to learn a lot. You got to watch a lot of training. You got to watch a lot of videos, in order for you to actually grow. All right, and you got to learn from other mentors, those that know more, much more than you do. All right, always push yourself, always keep learning, always keep reading books, where books are going to motivate you. Always read and always meditate too as well, and then you're going to become successful in everything you do. All right, everyone. Okay, so get back with me. I am going to be online soon, working my business. I'm just getting off work. It's 7:30 and it's really cold out here. Yesterday it was raining. Actually, it was hailing for just overnight. There was ice outside, but now today, look how beautiful it is. It's a beautiful day, and I'm actually getting off from work, so so there's no time for me to lose to make videos, because I am making videos every time I upload a video. All right, and don't forget to check out Upload Bucks. All right, Upload Bucks is going to help you generate income. Upgrade if you're going to want a massive amount of income coming your way. If you want to have multiple streams of income, upgrade on the softwares that you actually purchase, and you will get all the tools. All right, and if you don't have the money, find ways how to get that money so you can upgrade. All right, if you want to become successful, you got to invest in your business, and this is the only way that you're going to grow and excel in life. All right, talk to you guys later. Check back with me. Don't forget to watch every video that I post. Watch and learn, and don't forget to watch my suggested videos. I ask you to watch them because it's going to help increase your self-esteem. It's going to help you build confidence. Some of my videos are there to help you so that way you can always stay positive, always stay encouraged, always stay focused. All right, take care everyone, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.